So 'n lekker meerhof karpie, check hoe trek hy daai ding. Ek gaan hom nou kap. Dames en here, welkom by nog 'n episode van SA Kaap Stories. Ek is vandag hier by Meerhof oor, beautiful plek. Check wat het ek nou net gevang. Check hierso, check hierso, check hierso. Hy lê die hele net vol 'n lekker groot karpie vir 'n begin. Kom ons kyk hoe loop die dag. Ladies and gentlemen, obviously with my magic baits, this is what happens. Consistency pays off. I'll show you a bit later the combo that I've used, but this carp is huge. Thank you. Thank you to Trevor behind the camera. I've never met him before and he's helping me today. Thank you, Trevor.
Yeah.
Just say hello to the guys there.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Yeah.
So this is one I just caught now with whoops.
Sorry. It's very huge. That's
He's
why.
big, he's big. I caught it out with Banana X. Beautiful size. I'm going to show you just now the combo that I used, but this is really a beautiful fish. So if you guys can guess what is the size of this fish, I've got something special for you. Let's continue with the video a bit later. I'm first going to weigh it and keep guessing in the comments, and then after that we'll release it together. Thank you guys. Okay, that's the fish that you need to guess. Quite a beautiful size. I know exactly how much it is, so keep guessing in the comments and the surprise will come your way. Guys, this is a very naughty boy. Look how nice and fat is this. I'm going to come closer there to the camera, and thank you to Trevor that's filming here. Thank you so much for helping me. A stranger that's got a heart of gold. Thank you. Let's release this boy in the water. He's nice and fat yet Meerhof. Man, I was going to weigh it, but I think let's go for a safe 4 kilos there. What do you say, Trevor?
Yeah, 4.2.
4.2.
All right, cool.
Let's release.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Perfect.
being a good boy and fat.
All right.
Like you are.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
There we go.
Guys, welcome to the Power Hour, and I just wanted to share this magic moment with you. So obviously, magic baits is my choice. And look exactly what Uncle Dudley says this. He says, a good flavor doesn't shout, it whispers. And this, I was catching loads of carp yesterday at Meerhof. So use this very gently on your ball, and then obviously the hook baits from Magic Baits, and you will succeed. And I must tell you, the setup not only brings me confidence, and I mean, look at the stand. This is the Bankmaster from Big Fish. It's a bit dirty from yesterday's fishing, but I'm busy cleaning as we speak. But if you have confidence in the products that you use, you will succeed, believe me. And a big thanks to Magic Baits, and definitely a big thanks to Bankmaster, Big Fish. I love the stand. So just as I want to start filming, then my rod keeps running. So this has been a day, an unforgettable day. Let me put it in those words. Very friendly lady that I've met here today, Suzette. I believe she's the manageress. I'm not too sure. Suzette, as jy die video kyk, dankie vir jou gasvryheid. Maar julle, hierdie Meerhof is 'n pragtige plek. So mooi word dit na gekyk hierso. Ek het seker al 14 visse gevang, en die grootste een is sover amper kort. Hy's net kort van 5 kg. So julle moet kom kuier hier by Meerhof. What a beautiful place, julle. Meerhof, Hartbeespoortdam. Ok, besig om op te pak. Kyk hierdie monster. Hy lê die hele net vol. Ek dink hierdie is 'n 50 cm net. Beautiful mooi karp. Check hoe mooi is hy ding. This was the most beautiful day ever. It was my first time at this beautiful venue called Meerhof at Hartbeespoortdam. Thank you to Magic Baits, we did it. A big thank you to Big Fish, the Bankmaster stand. We did it. This was a day to remember. I will never forget this. And thanks for watching this awesome video.